Hey and welcome again to this tutorial of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to cancel some commit or to undo a commit. For example, in this file readme2 we will add for example, let's add some text who will be backed out. We will save. Now if we use our git status, it will tell us that the readme file 2 has been updated. Yeah, that's what she tells us. Now how about if I want to go back to my previous version of code. For example, if that is a lot of code, for example, and I made some update or some modification, but I want to cancel them. Especially if I close my editor and I open it again, I can do Control Z to back up. So what should I do in this case? First of all, we will add the changed file to the station area, and in this case we have readme2, so we will do git add and readme2.mg. we will put it back to the station area, hit enter. So let's check again with git status. Yeah, it shows that our file it's now in the station area, and they tell us also here use git reset head to end stage. That's mean to go back to the working area. So let's use it, git reset head. And now we will use it. Now we are in the working area, but as we see, this text is always in here, always in the readme2. So how can we tell the git to go by itself to the previous version, to delete all the new feature and the new updated that we added, and to go back to the first version? And by telling to git to do that, it's by this command line. We will execute this command line, git checkout -- and the name of the file that we want to tell the git to make it go back to the first version or to the previous version. And in this case it's readme2.mg. we hit enter, and as we see, this line that we added, that as text will be backed out, it's automatically removed. This is all for this video. So see you in the next video. We will learn how to create the alias.